সাধারণ মানুষের জন্য কিচ্ছু করেনি। তপশিলীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, আদিবাসীদের জন্য কিছু নেই, যুবকদের জন্য কিছু নেই, চাষিদের জন্য কিছু নেই, মহিলাদের জন্য কিছু নেই। ফার্টিলাইজার সাবসিডি বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে, সামাজিক সুরক্ষায় কিছু নেই, শিক্ষা দপ্তরে কিছু নেই। আর যে 3টে ফ্রেট করিডোরের কথা বলেছে, আমরা 3টে নয় 6টা করছি সারা বাংলাকে জুড়ে। কাজেই টোটালটাই মিথ্যে কথার ফুলঝুরি, হামটি ডামটি বাজেট। They know they will lose Bengal. They will lose in Bengal. That's why they are using SIR. If they have the guts, I will appeal them to contest us politically, democratically, instead of using the election commission and the agencies against the election. Haryana is lost because of this. Maharashtra is also lost because of this. Even other parts of the country also, they are using the same method. I will tell them, if you have the guts, fight the battle politically. We are ready to fight in inch to inch. But Bengal will win, Tamil Nadu will win, Kerala will win, and Assam they will lose. Thank you so much. Yes, tomorrow 4 o'clock they have given us the time. We asked the official time. I cannot tell you later before that. When we'll meet, then after that we can meet the press. Please don't tell me all these things. I have some own program. Let me finish that. I am going to Delhi after so many months, I think maybe years. So my MPs are also there. So I am the chairman of the parliamentary committee. It is my duty to meet them also once. I'll meet the press media also. I'll brief them also what is going on in the name of SIR, how they want to finish the federal structure.